Okay, I bought you guys have seen this, they came out last month. I bought a GoPro. I actually bought a GoPro Hero 9, and then I ended up returning it because I found a really good deal on a GoPro Hero 11. So I ended up buying that, and please bear with me because I just got out of surgery. You guys who have watched the last few videos, or especially if you watch them on the other channel, these are videos that were made during that phase. So nose issues fixed, but in recovery right now. Anyways, the nice thing is I bought this. It's a small rig. It's a SmallRig Cage, and it was for the Hero 9, 10, 11, and 12 because I guess they all are the exact same size. And this is the Hero 11. This is the 11 that I currently own. I've been using it to film my vlogs on the other channel just because I wanted to play with it. But it will be primarily used for my motorcycle trips and travel and things like that in the coming year. I needed to be able to plug a mic in, and I used to, or I still do, own a GoPro Hero 7. And because I have a GoPro Hero 7, I also have this, which is their mic accessory, which allows you to plug in a mic to the USB-C port on the GoPro. Because I don't want to spend any more money than I have to, and as much as the media mod looks cool, I don't think I necessarily need it. I bought this cage. Is this the case? No. I bought a cage. Hold on. So this is it here. You guys can see it. It's a SmallRig cage. I've already taken it out and I've tried it just to see how it works. Works good. But you guys will want to see what it looks like. So, anyways, this is the actual cage. I blocked my face so my face detection doesn't see it. This is how it comes. And I'll put it together so you guys can see how it all goes together here. What you need to do is you have your GoPro, and you have to take its battery door off. And I was like, why do I have to take a battery door off? And it's because we need access to the USB-C port all the time because of the mic thing. Now, I'm guessing if you didn't need access to the mic, you could probably get away with just putting this in with that battery, the standard battery door on. I don't know why you wouldn't be able to. But to take this off, it's really easy. You just lift it up. You get it up to like certain point and it just pops off. It's like ridiculously simple, which also means make sure that you put that somewhere so you don't lose it. Now they give you in this package right here a replacement door, and the replacement door has a hole in it which is for your USB-C, and basically all you're going to do is line it up on the top and then snap it on. It's pretty simple. Now the one thing with this door, just to kind of be aware of, if you're used to the original door, you pull it down from the bottom here and then reloop, but you actually pull it from the top now, and it just pops off. So you can kind of put it on either way, just kind of snap it. It's probably easier actually just to do it reverse, line it up from the bottom. Do that again. Line it up from the bottom and then just kind of snap it, and it's done. But now you have the USB-C opening so that your mic can go in. At that point in time, this, just make sure you put it in the right way so you have access to all your buttons. This just goes in. I think this is the right way. Yep. Goes in like so. You close your door. There is a nice little door latch on the top so you can hear it click. And then so it's locked in there. If you need it out, you just kind of push that to the side and the door opens, which is nice. So it's got a good lock. It also looks like it does have like a cold shoe mount right there, which is also good. Cold shoe mounts are good. So if you want to be able to put your mic on there. Now I use right now a mic that it's just this. So it just plugs right into the 3.5 mil jack. Lastly, you get the little base plate. This is the plate that you are going to actually put the microphone. You make sure your feet are down. Now the one thing with this case is if you don't have the mic thing on, your feet and everything are still accessible, which is fine. But this kind of just, you set it in the middle and it will, I don't know if you guys can hear that. Ready? If I put it on the right way. I don't know if I put it on the right way. Maybe it's this way. I did it before. I'll do it again. There it is. So now it's on. It does have like little lines. To remove it, hopefully you guys can see that. There's just a little again, lock right here that you just kind of, you pull it up and then this can slide off. And it's tight, which is good. So it's, just to, you wouldn't want it loose because then you'll realize that how easy it could probably fall off. Anyways, there's that access to the door. So there's that mic mod. this is just going to go straight in. So figure out, like I would plug it in here and then just kind of figure out how you want it to go. I'm going to put it in like that way. It's a snug fit, of course, but there it is. It's in there. Good. There's our feet. And then for me, I'm going to take this and this will plug in right there. And I'm good to go, right? Good to go. Now, if you had a big microphone, you could put it at a little cold shoe mount on the side, but I don't. Anyways, I think that'll be great. It's a little bulky, but I think when it's down on my helmet down here, I think that'll work nice. And for me, of course, if you watched the video that came out yesterday, I can't remember if it came out yesterday or if I'm putting it out tomorrow. One of the two. I have these new quick releases that I got from Ulanzi. Super easy to mount that GoPro onto this. And then this is with a twist. These come apart, which is sweet. All right, guys, that's the SmallRig Hero 12, 11, 10, 9 cage for GoPros. It says 2 cold shoe mounts. Where's the second one? 2 cold, I guess one on the top, one on the side. There it is, top and side. Yep. And it says for GoPro light mod and common microphone. So if you have their light mod, I guess you can use that as well. I don't, oh, right there. Maybe just lights. You're good. You can set this up to just be everything you ever desire. And if you have a max lens, it'll work with that too, it says. That's kind of nice. And I didn't even realize that, but you're right. I guess with the fact that the door can come off so easy, I was just looking at their page. Because the door can come off so easy, you know, you don't have to really take it out of the cage. You just kind of pull this whole door out, and then you have access to the battery and everything. And then, and then when you're done, same idea is you just pop it at the bottom, click it at the top, and you're back. Yeah, that's handy. That's handy. All right, guys, links down below if you're interested. I like it. And we'll see you next video. And hopefully I'm sounding better as the days go on. All right, I'm out. Later.